Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to do this summer look since summer is around the corner. And lately I've been obsessed with the Juvius palettes. They're really good, the colors are pigmented, and I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvius and taking this pink eyeshadow color and just putting it in the inner corner of my eye and really just trying to drag that a little bit out because we're trying to fit more colors and we're going to be packing it on next to each other. So obviously I did my brows off camera and I basically just primed my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And now I'm going to be going into the other Juvius palette called the Masquerade, and using this purple color I'm going to be packing it on right next to the pink. And when you pack it on, make sure you kind of blend them together so it just won't look harsh next to each other. Alright, so after those beautiful colors are blended, we're going to go back into the other palette and taking this dark purple, we're going to pack it on right next to the second color we've applied. And don't worry if it looks uneven because we're going to eventually blend it in with our orange color from the same palette. And we're just going to, blend it over the colors and really just mesh the colors together so it'll all look like everything is flowing and not harsh. And remember, blending is key to everything with makeup, especially eyeshadow, so don't get frustrated because this takes so much time, guys. So just keep blending until you get the right colors mixed together. So I always tend to start little by little by packing on the colors little by little, because if you put too much on the lid, it's just going to be hard to blend. So make sure you're just starting little by little. Now I'm taking this bright yellow shade and just blending that over the orange and mixing the orange and the yellow together, so it's going to bring you sunset vibes and it's just going to mesh well with the pink and the purples. Now the key to this look really is to blend. Look how well the colors are meshing together. So as you could tell, like on the outside of my eyes it's getting a little messy, but don't worry about it because we're going to take care of that later. I'm basically just going to cover it up with concealer, and yeah, you just don't have to worry about that much. Just blend. Now I'm going into my favorite highlighter, Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, and I'm putting that on my brow bone. Girl, I love this highlighter. Look at that. Look at that shine. Oh my god. Okay, moving on. So I'm taking these cucumber wipes by Nicka K, and like I said, we're gonna just take off some of the fallout and make a straight line on the corners of our eyes and make sure it's kind of even. Now we can't forget the lashes. The lashes put the whole look together, and I've been obsessed with this new lash line. They're not super new, but they're up and coming, and they're called Cavalash, I believe. I still be having a hard time pronouncing them, but they will be tagged below. Yeah, I really love their lashes, and they're really affordable and reusable, and I just be ordering them like crazy. But I think this is in the style Fuego. So yep, if you want some lashes, click the link below and go cop yourself some because they are bomb. Now after you do that, you're gonna take your primer, and my primer is the Photo Finish by Smashbox. I just started using this primer and I think it's pretty good. I'm not crazy about it, but it's something that I carry around just in case I need to put on makeup and whatnot. Now I'm gonna be going into my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and y'all know I love this foundation. Only $7. Like, come on guys, and look at that coverage. Oh my god. And it's like I found a color that's like my exact skin tone. I was using 220 before and I really thought that was my color, and then I went back to Target and I tried 210. I was like, let me just try this on because they didn't have 220, my regular color. And when I tried it on, I was like, holy crap, this is my color. Like, wow. So ever since then I've been using this, and 220 I'm gonna use when I start catching a little tan once summer starts. Okay guys, so next I'm taking this multi-sculpting concealer by Born This Way, and I'm applying this all over to highlight certain parts of my face, and of course under my eyes, because y'all know my under eye bags are crazy. So I really gotta blend that out. Remember, blending takes time. And I recently started using brushes. I was really into the beauty blenders, and now I'm like really into brushes. I don't even touch my beauty blenders, like. Alright, so now I started using also this Airspun translucent powder that's $4. Yes, $4 in Target. And there's a really lot of product in it, so I recommend it. And I also, guys, I started learning how to do a lot of things since I've been gone, like since I haven't been uploading lately. So instead of using a contour palette, I'm taking one of the shades from the Juvius palette, and I'm just taking a brown shade, you know, somewhere similar to the contour shade that I usually use. And I'm basically contouring my face with the eyeshadow color. Now, I'm sure people's done this before, but now it's like, I don't even feel like buying any more contour kits because it's like, why when you could use eyeshadow? It's really the same shit. It's powder, brown powder, if you really think about it. But yes, after that, I'm gonna wipe away the translucent powder off my nose because I want to contour my nose. And yes, sometimes the eyeshadow requires more blending when you're contouring, but that's okay because the finished result always comes out bomb. So after all that contouring, we're gonna start putting the eyeshadow look together, and I'm taking the dark purple shade and just blending it under my waterline, and then I'm gonna take the pink shade, the first shade we used to pack on in the inner corner of our eyes, and I'm just basically putting it under my waterline as well and blending the two together. Now let me tell you guys, I've been obsessed with highlighter, but lately I've been having a really crazy obsession, and I put highlighter everywhere, and I applied the Fenty in the inner corner of my eyes, as you can see. And now I'm gonna use this lip pencil by MAC in the shade Cork and outlining my lips. I really love this pencil. It's a beautiful dark brown, and it's always sold out. Like, I had to wait to order it. But yeah, now I'm taking the Gloss Bomb by Fenty and basically just putting that on top of my lips and blending the brown together. Oh, and of course I gotta add some highlight, honey. Yo, I keep adding more highlight. I just can't get over this highlight look. Like, whew. I gotta upload more videos, man. More videos are coming, guys. I promise. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, especially with summer around the corner. And yeah, make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, and I'll see you on the next one.